When it comes to landscaping, the biggest mistake I see people make is they try to fit everything into a tiny space. But you know what? I feel like breaking the rules today. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get everything you want in a tiny backyard. Let's go. My name is Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and installer, and this channel is for those people who are super busy, who need help with landscape design. So whether you are just starting the process or you already have an immaculate yard, I want you to click this button down here because with every video, I'm gonna teach you something new. Best of all, I'm gonna teach you things that save you money, most of all, save you time, because as a busy parent, if you're a busy parent, time just escapes, and I want you to have every bit of it. We're gonna start with a bubble diagram and show you how you can have an immaculate backyard in a tiny space. This is a mess, but this is the whole point. You want to just kind of map out the thoughts in your head. We got a fire pit, we got a patio, we got a table, we have a fully loaded kitchen. That's going to be awesome. We got seating, wood for the fire pit, landscaping, everything is combed out, everything is functional, everything flows. We got some nice curves. Now, let's go over to the desk. I'm going to put this in a 3D software, and that's where I'm going to give you out all the pro tips that are going to make this all make sense, and you're going to see the finished product. Let's go. All right, baby, here we go. Are you ready to rock, Bob?
Well, Bob, I think you've really set these people up for a phenomenal video, and let's see if we can paint a pretty picture together.
Bob, you're so clever. Let's do that. Let's get started. So I'm going to break down this design. I'm going to give you out 3 pro tips. We're going to save time, money. I'm just going to go through this bad boy and break it down. I said that already. Let's do that. Starting out, who we are building this for is a professional chef. So they wanted an awesome kitchen, which I think this is an awesome kitchen. It's got a pizza oven, it's got a kegerator, it's got a barbecue grill, stainless steel appliances, plenty of room for storage. You got to think about all these different things when you're out there, making sure that, have I taken care of everything so that it's not inconvenient for me to have to go throw the trash. There's a trash bin in this thing. So here's a pro tip for you. I'm going to put a link below that shows you different models of pizza ovens because they can get expensive. They can go from $2,500, maybe a little bit higher than that, up to like 10. And it just depends on what you want. But if you build something and you do different types of wood in there to give it flavor, that's a really cool way to have awesome food and not pay a ton of money for a pizza oven. Let's move over to the fire pit. The fire pit is super cool, and the reason I love this so much is I'm gonna jump right into a pro tip. The elevation of the backyard is higher on this side of the yard than the other side. So work with the elevations and don't have to take everything down. We actually have it so it's a step up about 6 inches. So it's an elevated fire pit that you can sit on, hang out. I've got a little cubby next to the house where you can put your wood. Just thinking about how can we make this as convenient as possible, not take out the whole backyard and save them a bunch of money, because the more we dig out, the more we got to charge for taking it off to a landfill. The final area I want to talk about is something that I don't think I put in the bubble diagram, and it's landscape lighting, but string lights. These are super easy. You just get some 10 feet 6x6 posts, pressure treated, or you can go with cedar. And what you want to do is drop them down 2 feet into concrete, and then you can string lights across there. And I'll put a link below that shows you that you can get, I think, a 25-foot strand for like 50 bucks. They look phenomenal. They set an atmosphere. They just make the whole place feel like it's almost got a structure above it, but it doesn't come with the tens of thousands that a structure costs. So you've got the fire pit, you've got the string lights, you've got the bad to the bone kitchen, and then right up against that garage, we also put a TV. So if anybody wants to come over, entertain, hang out, this is the place to be. You got the kegerator going, you get a beer, you sit there, you have a slice of pizza, you watch a St. Louis Blues game or a Cardinals game, whatever you want. Or, if you're obviously in a different state, which you probably are, you'll watch that team. To sum it up, I love to help you. I love to teach you. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. The best ideas for videos come from comments. If you are struggling with something, put it down there. Let me help you. I'll probably make a video out of it. If you haven't subscribed, click that little button. Make sure you smash the algorithm, the little likey thing. They love that. That's how people are going to find this, and we can help everybody. I want to build a community. I want you aboard, and I want you to come back next week. I publish videos, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you want to learn some more, this is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create.